Step 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Open the search menu. Type troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot settings. Choose other troubleshooters. Click on Windows Update and click on Run. Step 2. Run System Scan. Open the search menu, type CMD, right click on CMD and click on Run as Administrator. In CMD, type sfc /scan now and press enter. Wait for the scan to complete. After the scan is completed, restart your computer to see the changes. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.